Long ago, during the legendary Trojan War, rage, honor, and fate collided in one of the greatest stories ever told, the Iliad. For nearly 10 years, the Greeks and Trojans fought a brutal war over Helen of Troy, whose abduction sparked a conflict that would become legend. But the story begins not with the war itself, but with anger. Achilles, the Greeks' greatest warrior, clashes with King Agamemnon. After the king takes Achilles' war prize, Briseis. Consumed by pride and fury, Achilles refuses to fight. Without their greatest champion, the Greeks begin to lose ground against the Trojans. Leading the Trojan defense is Hector, Prince of Troy, devoted husband and fearless warrior. Unlike Achilles, Hector fights not for glory, but for his family and city. With Achilles absent, Hector drives the Greeks back to their ships. Troy seems closer than ever to victory. Desperate to save the Greeks, Achilles' closest friend Patroclus enters the battle wearing Achilles' armor to inspire the army. But Hector kills Patroclus, believing he has slain Achilles himself. Stricken with grief and consumed by vengeance, Achilles returns to battle. His rage becomes unstoppable. In the war's most legendary battle, Achilles confronts Hector outside the gates of Troy. Achilles kills Hector, and blinded by rage, dishonors his body before the eyes of Troy. But then comes the story's most human moment. King Priam, Hector's father, secretly enters the Greek camp and begs Achilles to return his son's body. For the first time, Achilles' anger gives way to compassion. In his enemy's grief, he sees his own humanity. The Iliad is more than just a war story. It is a tale of rage, pride, loss, and what it means to be human. Thousands of years later, its lessons still echo through history.